Hey folks, today I want to talk about an incredible opportunity for businesses in the GTA to make a real difference. It's called the Adopt a Shelter Initiative. And trust me, it's something you don't want to miss out on. At our business directory, we've carefully curated thousands of local businesses that consistently deliver outstanding customer service as reflected in their social media ratings. We invite these businesses to claim their listing for free and become part of a trusted community that showcases the best and most reputable local businesses. Whether you choose our free plan or an optional premium program, our mission is to ensure you thrive while making a meaningful impact. Our core initiative, Adopt a Shelter, is designed to connect businesses with local homeless programs and shelters that need support. We feature some of the most effective homelessness programs in the community and encourage businesses to contribute. And guess what? Those that participate and donate receive special recognition in our directory and marketing campaigns, positioning them as leaders in social responsibility. To make this initiative even more impactful, we honor donating businesses by actively encouraging our website visitors to support them. We ask customers to choose businesses that contribute to homelessness programs, reinforcing a cycle of giving that supports both local businesses and this critical social initiatives. This not only increases goodwill and brand trust for participating businesses, but also helps ensure that support reaches those in need. Now, to bring this initiative to the next level, we are seeking sponsorship from banks and corporations that are committed to community development. A sponsorship would allow us to expand our outreach efforts, increase advertising, and bring more businesses into the program. By funding this initiative, banks will be recognized as leaders in corporate social responsibility and will gain valuable branding opportunities within our directory and marketing campaigns. Additionally, because we are dedicated to helping all businesses in our directory flourish, we ask our sponsors to offer mentorship, business coaching programs, and loans for our members. These programs will provide entrepreneurs with resources, guidance, and support to accelerate their business growth, creating a stronger, more resilient local economy. This is more than just a directory, it's a movement. If you're a business, visit our directory, search for your company name, and claim your business listing today. If you're a bank, become a sponsor and help drive meaningful change. Together, we can fight homelessness, support local businesses, and build a thriving, compassionate community.